Welcome back, Hot Wheelers. It's Hotwheels Boys here today. So today we've got 6 cars versus our new challenger 2020 Ford GT. So so we'll just go through them. So we've got the first one is the Mustang convertible. Next one up is the Lancer. Third, Roger Dodger. Fourth is the Chevy Impala. Fifth one is the Porsche 911, and last but not least is the Lamborghini Gallardo in yellow. And this will be our challenger. Here he comes. He is on the truck. He is ready to race. So we'll go down to the track and get racing underway. Here we go, guys. This will be race 1. So we've got the Mustang convertible in lane 2 and the Ford GT in lane 5. Racers ready. On your marks, get set, and go. Ford GT takes that first race. Here we go, guys. This is race 2. We've got the Ford GT in lane 2 and the Mitsubishi Lancer in lane 5. Racers ready. On your marks, get set, and go. And the Ford GT takes the win. Here we go, guys. This is race 3. We got Roger Dodger in lane 2 and the Ford GT in lane 5. Racers ready. On your marks, get set, and go. The Ford GT takes the win. Here we go, guys. This is race 4, and the GT has won all 3 so far. It's up against the Chevy Impala, which looks awesome. So let's see how close this race will be. On your marks, get set, go. Ooh, the Chevy Impala won that one. Here we go, guys. It's race 5, and we've got the Porsche 911 GT2 up against the Ford GT. So racers ready. On your marks, get set, and go. Wow, that Ford is really fast. This is race 6, guys. So up next is the Lamborghini Gallardo. So let's get the 6th race going. On your marks, get set, and go. The Ford GT is really quick. Here we go, guys. The race is over, and the Ford GT managed to beat 5 of the 6 challengers. Only the 2020 Hot Wheels release Chevy Impala managed to beat the Ford GT. So the next race will be that we'll make video will be the Chevy versus Hot Wheels Boys current champion, which is the gold Lamborghini. Oh yeah.